Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content. Thanksgiving is an annual holiday celebrated in the United States and Canada. Thanksgiving is a time to give thanks for the blessings of the harvest and of the past year. The holiday has its roots in the harvest festivals of ancient times. The first Thanksgiving in North America was celebrated by the Pilgrims in 1621. The Pilgrims invited the Wampanoag Indians to their feast to celebrate the end of a good harvest. What we eat on Thanksgiving: turkey, stuffing, pie. For many Americans, the Thanksgiving holiday is all about spending time with family, giving thanks, and eating a delicious meal. The traditional Thanksgiving feast usually consists of roasted turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. While the menu may vary from family to family, there are some dishes that are typically served on Thanksgiving. Turkey is usually the main dish, and it is often served with stuffing, mashed potatoes, and cranberry sauce. Pumpkin pie is also a popular dessert choice. So why do we eat these specific dishes on Thanksgiving? Turkey has been a part of the Thanksgiving feast since the very first celebration. It was originally served as a symbol of abundance, and now it has become a tradition. What Thanksgiving means to me: a personal reflection. When I think about Thanksgiving, I think about family. I think about my mom cooking in the kitchen all day, my dad watching football with his buddies, and my brother and I playing games together. I think about the big dinner table that we all sit around, laughing and talking. And I think about how thankful I am for all of them. Thanksgiving is a time to reflect on what we're grateful for. For me, that's my family. They're the ones who have always been there for me, no matter what. They've supported me through good times and bad, and they always make me feel loved. That's what Thanksgiving means to me. Why we celebrate Thanksgiving. The first Thanksgiving was held in 1621 by the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag Indians. The Pilgrims had arrived in America earlier that year and had a difficult time surviving. The Wampanoag Indians helped them to grow crops and to hunt for food. The two groups decided to celebrate their good fortune by having a feast. Today, Thanksgiving is still a time to give thanks for our blessings. It is also a time to eat traditional foods like turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie. We also use this holiday as an opportunity to spend time with our loved ones. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and please hit the like and subscribe button.